Are you ready to turn your cluttered home office into a productivity powerhouse? Watch now for the ultimate minimalist transformation. Welcome back to SP Interiors. Today, we're diving into the world of home office design with three amazing topics: modern minimalist home office design, creative home office organization hacks, and eco-friendly home office setup. Whether you're setting up your first home office or looking to revamp your current space, these tips are perfect for new homeowners eager to create a stylish and functional work environment. Minimalist design is all about simplicity and functionality. Here are 3 tips to get you started. Choose neutral color palettes like whites, grays, and beiges to create a calm and clutter-free environment. Select multifunctional pieces that maximize space and offer storage solutions. Keep decor to a minimum to avoid visual clutter. Select a few statement pieces that reflect your style without overwhelming the space. And there you have it, modern minimalist design to transform your home office. If you love these tips, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate minimalist design into your home office. For more personalized advice and to get started on your home office transformation, contact SP Interiors today.